going to be a dream come true moment for one of these two teams, Young Boys and We Football Club, finalists of Pepsi T20 Football Mumbai edition. Justin was brilliant in the semi-final, which they won only by a slender margin of 1 goal against Wingers Football Club. Young Boys snatched everything away from Solar Boys in the first semi-final. They played like predators and they've come out here with a massive crowd support. All their neighbours and friends and family members from the locality where they've grown up, learnt their football, honed their skills. And they've come out here tonight in large numbers to support these youngsters who've been mighty aggressive and have been rewarded for that. A couple of rebounds, but on that occasion, he found gap between the crossbar and the goalkeeper. 2 points to Young Boys. They've made so many matches until now look like one-sided affairs. Hopefully we don't have another one on cards. You want it to be a nail-biting humdinger of a final. But the way they're attacking and the way they're reaping benefits and rewards of the same, I'm afraid it might just be the same old one-sided affair story. Young Boys already have taken a 2-goal lead. Free kick goes in for the chip. And number 4 was there just at the right place at the right time. A fumble from the defender from We Football Club. And aren't these Young Boys ruthless, showing no mercy? And why should you? At stake is a place in the national finals, the title of being the best in your city. Just stick to the old adage, no quarter given, none asked for. We Football Club look completely clueless, as many other teams would if they were caught in such kind of a scenario. Just a few minutes into the first half of an all-important final, and they're trailing by 3 goals against a side which is hardly losing control of the ball. They're not taking their sights off it. They've got a very strong goalkeeper who hasn't really committed any mistake, not that I can remember any. And they just keep tapping it in. 4 goals already, 8-0 the score. And if I was donning that We Football Club jersey, I will not be very happy with my teammate, the goalkeeper. He's looked clueless at times, but none worse than what he did on that occasion. Should have been a simple regulation save. And that's half-time. Young Boys in cruise control, 8-0. Second half, will a change in side turn around things, turn the tide for We Football Club? They need a miracle, as simple as that. The way Young Boys have played their football throughout this tournament, We Football Club need a miracle, trailing 4 goals to 0. For starters, efforts from the goalkeepers would be worthy enough, but not on that occasion. Harrison Sari slots the ball in. Left-footed volley, which went in like a rocket. 5-0 the score, 10-0 on points. And Young Boys can now play some free football, take their chances, try and innovate, because they've deflated We Football Club's dream in the Pepsi T20 football cage. Good stop from the goalkeeper again. He's been phenomenal. He's thrown himself around. He's always been on the ball, alert. He hasn't been found napping. And as they say, luck favours the brave. On that occasion, the ball flirting with woodwork. Because you get a feeling the goalkeeper wouldn't have had much of a chance if it was any bit higher. Chance there and converted. They don't miss many. In fact, they don't miss any. Young Boys, simple tap through the goalkeeper's legs, who probably is praying, someone get me out of this cage right now. It's almost as if they've lost interest in competing, but you can empathize with them. They're trailing by 6 goals, or make it 7 now. Chipped into the top of the goal. They're running away, they're toying around. I think that's the word. They've toyed around with We Football Club. Prayers of so many mothers, family members, friends, neighbours have been answered for young boys. Long range penalty, free kick. Good save. At least something for the goalkeeper to write home about. Oh, he's flung that too high up in the air. That's not allowed. According to the rules, you've got to roll the ball. Haris Ansari, you beauty! Into the top left corner. That is a dream moment for any young footballer. Thorough professional, these young boys. They've played like magicians at time. Oh, that could be painful, but he's back on his feet. The adrenaline, I'm sure, is keeping all of them going. They're now seconds away from moving into the national finals and being crowned champions of Mumbai, winners of the Mumbai edition of Pepsi T20 football. We've got a man down there. Come on, young boys, you don't need any of those time-wasting tactics. It's time for you to stand up, upright, and your heads held high. The crowd is just eagerly awaiting that final hooter, and there it is. That confirms that young boys are indeed the champions of Mumbai, and they're now just one step away from being possibly the best in the country. 16-0, they made it look ridiculously easy. Deserving winners of Pepsi T20 football in Mumbai. Well played, young boys.
They say catch them young, quite literally we've got them young. Young boys, brilliant all throughout the tournament and fantastic in the final. They made it look so one-sided, winning it 8-0. But also, just spare a thought for We Football Club. They got their supporters out there. They were good until the semi-finals, but they were completely outplayed in the finals of Pepsi T20 football in Mumbai. We're still awaiting finalists from 3 more cities when we talk about the national finals, where the winner will be trained by an international footballer and will take on 5 players of the Indian cricket team in a similar cage. But that's all we have for you from Mumbai. We'll see you again from Lucknow next week. And until then, this is Jatin Sabru saying goodbye.